everyone, welcome to my day 9 in Switzerland. And look what's happening, it's snowing. Look. And today we are traveling again from Switzerland to another beautiful country, and I can't wait to show you all about it. Because of heavy snowfall and rain, the trains to our destination from Switzerland were cancelled, and now they have given us connecting trains. But Switzerland honestly was amazing, and if this country is in your bucket list, please don't miss it for whatever reasons, because we experienced summer, rain, snowfall all in just 3 days, and it was magical. We have arrived at our final destination. Traveling in Europe is really fun until you realize you have to change at least 5 to 6 trains, and the time difference to travel between those countries is less than 3 minutes. So we had to run up, down, everywhere today just to figure out which platform we have to get in. We are in Milan, Italy. We have arrived at our stay in Milan, Italy. This is the kitchen. This is one bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And the best part about this house is, check this out. It's amazing. Look at the view. Our first stop in Milan, Italy is Duomo de Milano, as you can see. And apparently it took 600 years to complete. Yeah, and it's one of the largest churches in the world. And it is.
Apparently it has over 3,400 statues inside.
Wow.
135 goggles, 700 figures, saints, monsters, and you can walk on the roof.
That's amazing. We already have tickets, so we booked these tickets online way before.
In India.
Yeah, way back in India. So you just have to stand in queue and get in there, and I'll soon show you guys if it's allowed, if I'm allowed to take pictures. You guys can see Duomo de Milano too. Looks exactly like Notre Dame. Look at this. Wait, look at that. And this one. Almost same, but kitne huge is mama. This is the center of Milan, Italy. It's all massive buildings everywhere.
Look at the storm behind us.
Oh my god, we just came out of the mass.
It was beautiful.
It was amazing, it was beautiful, wonderful ceremony in fact. But look at this, we need to run.
We're gonna get some pizza.
Yeah, first pizza in Italy. So, chalo. Cheers. Pizza time. The pizzas here are so good. Amazing. We got the tiramisu as well. It looks so delicious. Susan's gonna have first bite. Today was supposed to be a relaxing day in Milan, and we did just that. A beautiful mass ceremony, the most delicious pizza and tiramisu, and the beautiful sunset. So that's it for today. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.